Hello, dear students. Now, today we'll do the chapter number 23 of your book, and the chapter name is National Movement on page number 28 in your GK book. So, Unit 6 India Independence and Social Reformation. Now, you all know that Indian national movement had a singular aim. Means we all the national movements have the singular aim. Had only one aim, that is the ending of the British rule in India. So it comprised of various national and regional campaigns and agitations. They arise various regional campaigns so that India got independence from the Britishers. So let us go back in the time and relive those action packed days. So we have to read this, and let us go back means we have to think that, okay, we have to relive those action packed days. What was the action, what were the campaigns that are arise in that time. So you have to match the column A with column B. Number 1, the first war of independence started on which date? On May 10, 1857. D part, you have to match one with D. May 10, 1857. Number 2, Indian National Congress was formed in part, you can match with part A, in 1885. Now number 3, founder of Indian National Congress. Who is the founder of Indian National Congress? That is G part, A.O. Hume. Number 4, on 13 April 1919, massacre at Amritsar took place in, where it took place? It took place in Jallianwala Bagh. Okay, so you have to match with F. Now number 5, movement that started on August 8, 1942 in Bombay. You have to match with H. That movement was called Quit India Movement. Now number 6, Mahatma Gandhi first started his birthright. So from where he started his birthright? Champaran, Bihar. That is the B part. You have to match 6 with B part. Now number 7, Bal Gangadhar Tilak said, what he said? He said, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. That is E part. You have to match 7 with E. So what Bal Gangadhar Tilak said? He said, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Now number 8, boycott of British goods is related to, that is related to Swadeshi movement. Number C. You have to match 8 with C. Now number 9, the 1857 War of Independence started as a, how it was started? It started as a revolt of the Indian soldiers against the British rule. So you have to match 9 with L. Now number 10, the last Mughal emperor who was chosen as the leader of the first war of independence. So that is Bahadur Shah Zafar. You have to match 10 with M. Now 11, the Indian National Army that fought the British troops during World War II was organized by Subhash Chandra Bose. So you have to match 11 with I. Number 12, Salt Satyagraha to break the salt law in 1930 was called Dandi March. Okay, so you have to call it Dandi March. So match with J. Now the last one, number 13, A hand grenade was thrown in Delhi's Central Assembly on 8 April 1920 that was thrown by Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt. That is K part. So you have to match 13 with K. Now, quick fact, the first war of Indian independence of 1857 was called the Sepoy Mutiny by the British government. You have to underline this. Okay, what was the first world war called? You have to underline only Sepoy Mutiny by the British government. Okay. Now, the spark that started it was the use of grease cartridges made from cow or pig fat, which hurt the religious sentiments of Hindus and Muslims respectively. So, the spark that started, what was started? They started the use of grease cartridges, okay, and that is made from the cow or pig fat. So, they which hurt the religious sentiments of the Hindus and Muslims. So that's all for today. You have to do this and you have to submit your work. Okay, so thank you.